Комесаре Вархеј, благодарам за ова интервју. Во делот Печатот во Западна Европа денеска има написи дека состојбата со коронавирусот ја олеснила одлуката на земјите членки на ЕУ за отворање пристапни преговори со Северна Македонија и со Албанија. Дали се согласувате со оваа теза?
Well, this is interesting because before the decision, I was told that because of the coronavirus, it's not going to be possible. But I could even go as far as then, if it is easier to make decisions during the coronavirus crisis, why don't we decide on the MFF now? I mean, come on. It has nothing to do. It's the other way around. It was a strategic decision. It was a very important decision. And this only shows that with the new methodology in place and with the much more serious reporting activity and a very serious commitment taken by both countries and the results, the member states, despite the crisis, wanted to send a very clear and loud signal to the region that if you deliver, we are also ready to deliver. And this is what has happened. This is the first principle of our new enlargement strategy, credibility. And credibility was served yesterday.
Одлуката на Советот на ЕУ е иста за двете држави, но содржината или суштината на заклучоците е различна. За Северна Македонија, например, нема, а за Албанија има серија предуслови за да се случи првата меѓувладина конференција со која де факто почнуваат преговорите.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Still, the way I see it is that Albania has made substantive progress on all these issues that are listed in the Council conclusions. These are issues listed because these are priority issues for the member states, and I think that they wanted to underline that. And I also think that, as you can see already in our interim report, the Albanian authorities are taking these issues very seriously, and they will continue to take these very seriously, which means that at the end of the day, if they address them, the IGC could happen at the same time as well. It's on merit. This whole process is on merit.
Кога планирате како комисија да ја доставите преговарачката рамка на усвојување?
We want to submit both negotiating frameworks for the two countries as soon as we can. In the text it is said immediately. Immediately in this work would mean that the Council should be able to discuss it together with the annual enlargement package, which is due to be discussed in the Council in June. So we are now preparing with both countries the negotiating framework, because of course we need to first prepare it with North Macedonia and Albania, and then we will come to the Council very, very quickly.
Дали јуни е реален рок кога би можела да се одржи првата меѓувладина конференција за Северна Македонија?
Well, if the member states are able to agree right away with the negotiating framework, it is. But I think that it will take a bit of time still for the member states to first agree on the negotiating framework.
Благодарам, комесаре. Ова беше комесарот Оливер Вархеј во интервју за 360 степени.